and welcome to the virtual field trip for the Grand Canyon South Rim. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you where we are in map and satellite view, and then giving you a few pointers as to how to best use the field trip. So first of all, here's a map to clue you in terms of where we are. This is the Arizona-Utah border. City of Flagstaff is off the map to the south, and this is the Grand Canyon area. We are going to be visiting the South Rim, which is accessible along this road, and it travels along the rim and then back out towards the city of Cameron. Let's take the same view in satellite view. Here it is again. Here's the border. Flagstaff is off to our south, and here's the road that you can drive into the canyon in either direction and then back out this way. Let's take a similar view in oblique satellite view. I'm going to be using this image quite a bit. Each of the field trip stops I'll introduce and show you where you are using this image. And by and large, we're going to be visiting the Grand Canyon along the South Rim from this point, which is desert view, and a number of points along the rim out to approximately here, including some time within the canyon along the Tanner Trail in this area, and along the South Kaibab and Bright Angel trails in this area. So, a few hints as to how to best use this field trip. First of all, I suggest you use Google Chrome as your browser. The field trip was built using Chrome, and sometimes things behave slightly differently in different browsers. It should be fine, but if you have any weird behavior, the first fix attempt you should do is to use Google Chrome if you're not. Next thing you should do is watch the Grand Canyon introductory geology video below. It gives an overview of all of the geologic history of the Grand Canyon and really puts in context the field trip stops and the interesting things that you'll see there. Next thing linked below is a geologic map. I want you to take a look at, especially the interactive one. It's really quite slick. That's what I'm showing you over here. Most geologic maps are shown in color, various colors such as this one, with a legend with all of the rock types described somewhere on the side of the map. This one is nice, it's interactive, and when you put your mouse over a certain rock type such as this light blue here, it pops up a little window and shows you the type of rock there. So it only shows you what you're looking at the time. And you can zoom in and out and move around at will. And then start the field trip. Each field trip location starts with a short introductory video like this one, just to give you a sense of the sort of things you're going to be looking at. Each one has one or more low-resolution images that are annotated. I've drawn on them, I've written on them to point out the important things for you to look at. There's also a number of high-resolution images where you can zoom in, zoom way, way in, and see things at much greater detail than even if you were standing there. And then there's also one or more of 360-degree images, which allow you to look around in all directions. One last note, the sort of control area for the field trip is on the left-hand side. Each one of these bits of text that have an underline is a link, and you click on the link, and the corresponding video or image or whatever it happens to be shows up off to the right. And then when you're done with this section, you want to move on to the next section by scrolling down. You need to have your mouse in this part of the screen, somewhere in the light part of the screen on the left. And when you scroll down, the next section will move up and turn from gray to black, and then the links will be active. Okay, I hope you enjoy the field trip, and I'll see you next at the desert viewpoint and along the Tanner Trail.